Yeah, hello, good day everyone. My name is Asha Lopez. I'm here to let you to know the new banking system that is in vogue now, which is powered by Wema Bank PLC. What is the system I'm talking about? This is Halat. You can easily do your banking transaction by using Halat. How can you do that? If you have a phone, if you have a smartphone, this smartphone you can easily be doing your banking transaction on it. Especially for those people in the routing area. Okay, let's take a look at it. When you are in the routing area, it will be difficult for you to go to the bank because the bank is very far away from you. Maybe you want to deposit into someone's account, or you want to give your customer, you want to pay some bills to your customer, or you want to pay bills of your DSTV, GoTV. You do not have to stress yourself again. Allah has make it very easy for us, for you, our customers, because I believe that by Halat you can do anything you want to do. What are the functions what are the functions as things you can do on Halat? Okay, let's take a look at it. Account opening. You can open account yourself without going to the bank. And the account I'm telling you, we have two different of accounts. We have light alert account, and we have standard alert account. This standard account I'm talking about, you can easily do any of your you can do up to 2 million naira in a day. I mean, you can transfer up to 2 million naira in a day. And inside this function I'm even talking about, you can pay your GoTV, you can pay your DSTV, and you can pay your NEPA bills. You don't have to stress yourself again. It is very now easy for you to do your banking in your house, or in your shop, or in your office. Alert has make it very, very easy for us now. Okay, we have a light account. This light alert account I'm talking about, you can easily buy things online where you pay through your account. Light alert account I'm talking about, you can withdraw up to 30,000 naira in a day. You can deposit up to 50,000 naira in a day. But if you want to withdraw, you can just, the account is not that standard. You can withdraw up to 3,000 naira, as much as you want to withdraw in your account. Anywhere you have, just there is a space there in the platform. There is a space in there where you will fill, and your debit card, which everybody knows as ATM card. Some people knows as ATM card. We call it debit card. Some people knows that ATM card. Our 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 agents will bring it to your house, to the address you filled. You don't have to stress yourself again. Ẹ̀yin màmá wa, ẹ̀yin bàbá wa, gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń sọ látàárọ̀ náà ni ìgbàlódé, nítorí pé nǹkan ti dìrọ̀rùn nísìn. Ní láti ṣe wàhálà kankan rárá. Wípé ẹ fẹ́ sanwó sàkáǹtì ni, àbẹ́fẹ́ transfer owó sọmọ yín nílé ìwé ni. Ṣe rí, Wema Bank ti wá gbétò kan dìde, òun là ń pè ní alert. Ètò yìí gangan ó ti gbáyé kan o. Èmi náà mo dẹ̀ máa fẹ́ kẹ́ nípìn inú ẹ̀, nítorí pé tẹ bá ti nípìn inú ẹ̀, ẹ̀yin gan ti rí pé inú ìrọ̀rùn lẹ wà. Ṣe rí, ètò yìí òun gangan là ń pè ní alert. Alert yìí kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ lè ṣe lórí ẹ̀. Níwọ̀n ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé ẹ ti ní fóònù tẹ́ fi ń pe àwọn ọmọ yín lórí fóònù, ẹ lè ṣí àkáǹtì fúnra ara yín. Tẹ́ bá ń ṣí àkáǹtì, ẹ lè lọ sínú báǹkì wa níbikíbi tí tẹ́ bá ti rí Wema Bank, ẹ lọ síbẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ béèrè pé ẹ kàn fún wọn lákàá nọ́mbà yín pé ẹ fẹ́ wo balance nínú àkáǹtì yín. kẹ wá wò bóyá ó jẹ̀ní àbí kò jẹ̀ní nítorí àwọn kan wà àní dárúkọ ṣùgbọ́n ètò tí mo sọ fún yín ó ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí àṣẹgbédé ni ó dẹ̀ ń gbóná fẹlifẹli ṣe rí àkáǹtì tí mo sọ fún yín tẹ bá ti ṣí àkáǹtì yín ẹ lè transfer à ń pè kan ní standard account ẹ lè transfer up to 2 million naira lójúmọ́ lórí ẹ̀ à ń pè kan ní light alert account ìyẹn ẹ lè transfer up to 30,000 naira lójúmọ́ lórí ẹ̀ ẹ̀yin náà wá wò ṣé kò wá di ìrọ̀rùn báyìí ìrọ̀rùn ní gbogbo ẹ̀ ti dé bára fún wa nítorí pé tá bá tẹ̀ tún níkà wò tẹ bá lọ sí di ATM èrò máa dúró kẹ tó lọ sí báǹkì ẹ fẹ́ lọ gba ATM kẹ tó rí ATM gbà kẹ tó rí àkáǹtì sí wọn á máa ní kẹ lọ mélè wá kẹ lọ mú gbá kẹ lọ má gbó wá kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o nǹkan ti di ìrọ̀rùn ìgbà ìrọ̀rùn ti dé ẹ̀yin bàbá wa ẹ̀yin ìyá wa mo fẹ́ kẹ́yin náà kẹ́ jàǹfààní yìí ṣe wá rí alert account tí mo sọ yìí nínú platform yìí kí lẹ lè ṣe nínú ẹ̀ ẹ lè sanwó GoTV yín táwọn ọmọ yín á máa fi ṣègbádùn nílé owó DSTV ẹ fẹ́ ra nǹkan online ni ẹ lè sanwó látòrí ẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan tí ẹ lè ṣe nínú ẹ̀ inú mi máa dùn púpọ̀ púpọ̀ ní pé tẹ́ ẹ bá ṣe ń gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo ń sọ yìí kẹ́ tètè lọ máa ṣí àkáǹtì yín ẹ lọ máa ṣí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni báwo lẹ ṣe lè ṣí ẹ mú fóònù yín ẹ lọ sórí Google àbí kẹ́ lọ sórí app Play Store yín ẹ tẹ alert síbẹ̀ ALAT ẹ tẹ̀ síbẹ̀ ó máa gbé wá kẹ́ download ẹ máa rí lẹ́sọ̀lẹ́sọ̀ ni kò láṣìnà rárá alert tí mo sọ Wema Bank ní wọ́n ro lágbára bẹ́ẹ̀ ni my brother my sisters yeah wetin we dey talk about since na I just dey talk about an alert o na the new banking system wey Wema Bank don bring for us gbaga say make we dey enjoy ourselves we no need to dey stress ourselves at all this one no be say you wan go bank you say you wan go open account you dey use 2 days 3 days dey open account now my brothers forget things no be like that again Wema Bank don do am this alert wey I dey talk about you can easily do this your banking transaction on your phone go to your Apple go to your Google Play press alert for there ALAT if you press am search for am you go see alert inside am download am inside your phone I dey tell you my brother this thing wey I dey tell you if you don download am e go dey show you how to open account on yourself you go generate account number for yourself and when you generate account number for yourself go to any branch any Wema Bank branch just give them the account number say you wan see am you sef go see am dem go tell you say dem recognize you and wetin you fit do for alert this app wey I dey talk about you don't have to go and pay your bills say you wan go rush go DSTV office go pay your bills or go TV office or agent any agent before you know they go close this one you can do it anytime you fit recharge your phone you dey do subscription your subscription system you fit recharge from alert inside am you go recharge straight I dey tell you you go recharge am you go recharge DSTV GoTV StarTime even your recharge card your recharge card for phone you go recharge am inside na wetin I dey tell you my brother it's very good for you now to join us today and make life easy for you thank you.